What is it, Mackie? Can you show?
It's heavy, isn't it?
Oh no!
Who is it?
I don't know.
Show us the front. The Muddle-Headed Wombat. That's a special book that Daddy used to read when he was a little boy. And you know, Granddad and Polly gave that to you.
Mom, could you read this book to me?
Well, we don't throw.
It's just very heavy. No. Yeah, of course
Let's
we can read
look
it.
at some pictures.
Let's look at some pictures, bud. That's pretty good. Here, turn around this way so you can look at the pictures. You think that's the wombat? What's that? A little mouse and a cat. Let's keep turning. Lots of pictures.
It's a book with little writing, so you can read it when you're even bigger as well.
Big boy book, that's why it's a big brother present. Pretty cool, huh?
Can you say thank you, Mackie? Lucky boy.